Hi, today I'm demonstrating my Rocket Food Delivery API project. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show the TDD integration test that we created, some of the SQL implementation and features. First, I'm going to start by running the app. As you can see here, the application ran successfully. You can also see that our data seeder ran successfully as well, inputting all of that data into our database. Next, I just want to reveal a little bit about some of the things we implemented here. So to the orders API, we added being able to get the order and filtering by type, such as customer, restaurant, or the person carrying the order. So we have the order API controller here. This handles the request, it inputs the validation, and then it returns that response at the end. We have our service layer. This one contains all of the business logic, and it also works here with the models. Those models there contain a data structure and the relationship. And then we have the repository layer. This handles all the database queries and CRUD operations. And you can also do some of the custom querying here as well. So you can see some of the SQL that we added here for joining the tables with the order and being able to group them. And next, I'm going to show you some of the testing, the TDD testing that was added. You can see some of those status tests here with creating an order, getting that order ID with the response. And then there's also related to the status codes we have here as well. And if there's any null statuses, throwing an error for those. There's a few different ways that we can walk through how to get some of the restaurant information, order information. I'm going to start here with getting the restaurants, and this is just all of the information associated with them. Next, we can get orders by customer. So this will display any of the customers that we have in our database, any of their related information, and then all of the products that they've ordered.